Want to know how to edit your Instagram bio, add spaces and line breaks on it? Well, let me help you. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can edit your Instagram bio and add spaces or line breaks to it. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the app and head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you'll get the option edit profile on the screen, tap on it, and here you can see you'll get the option bio, and you can type in your bio here. Now, to edit or to add spaces and line breaks on it, you can simply head over to Google Chrome and search for add spaces and line break. Now, if you do this, you'll get a couple of links here. You can just head into one link here. Now, I'll just head into this how to add spaces here. And if you scroll down below, you can see Instagram line break generator. Now, you can just tap in here and type in and add line breaks and spaces. And what you need to do is copy it from here, copy, and then head into Instagram and then long tap on it, and you'll be able to paste it. And this way, if you tap on save option on the top of your screen here, you can see it'll be saved. So this way you can edit your Instagram bio, add spaces and line breaks. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.